What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today we finally have the brand new OnePlus N6 with us. This is the first smartphone from OnePlus brand new N series. A completely new lineup that sits below the OnePlus Nord series. So in this video, let's do a quick first look and unboxing since the embargo is still active. I can talk about the design, build quality, unboxing experience and the official revealed specification. The full review, gaming test, camera samples, battery backup and performance will be coming after the launch of this device. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So first let's start with the retail box. The packaging looks very similar to the OnePlus Nord smartphone with that signature blue and white color combination. If you have unboxed the Nord device before, this one will instantly feel familiar. As soon as you open the box, the first thing you'll see the phone itself. OnePlus has kept the presentation quite simple this time and hasn't gone with fancy cutouts inside the box. Once you lift the phone, you'll find the 45-watt Superbook fast charger followed by a USB to Type-C charging cable. You also get a SIM ejector tool and there's another small box that contains the usual paperwork along with a soft TPU protection case. And the case is very similar to what OnePlus bundles with its other smartphones. It's a good quality soft rubber case and the nice part is that it matches the color of your phone. So you can simply put it on and start using the phone right out of the box. Now talking about the design, see OnePlus has gone with a completely new look this time. The OnePlus N6 follows the company's latest flagship design language, so at first glance it doesn't really feel like an entry-level smartphone. It features a flat frame design with rounded corners, making it too comfortable to hold in the hand. On the back, you get a clean matte finish along with the square-shaped camera module that houses the camera setup and the LED flash. The OnePlus branding sits right in the center, giving the phone a clean, minimal and premium appearance. One thing I really liked is the camera module doesn't stick out much. It has only a slight bump and because of that, there's almost no wobble when you keep the phone on flat surface, which is definitely a nice touch. The matte finish also doesn't attract too many fingerprints, which is always a good thing. Even though the phone packs massive 8000 mAh battery, it doesn't feel overly bulky. It's slightly taller than what most people might be used to, but after holding it for some time, you quickly get used to the size. The weight distribution also feels well balanced, so overall in-hand feel is quite comfortable. Talking about the frame, the side frame is made up of plastic, which is expected in this price segment. Towards the bottom, you get a USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, SIM tray, and a primary microphone. The left side is completely clean, and yes, don't expect a dedicated plus key like what we see on other OnePlus smartphones. On the top, you get a secondary microphone. On the right side, you will find power button along with volume up and down buttons. Moving to the front, the OnePlus N6 features a 6.8-inch display. The side bezels are quite decent. However, if you look closely, you'll notice that the bottom chin is slightly thicker than other three sides. It's nothing major and you really won't notice it during regular usage, but it's there. The phone comes out of the box with OxygenOS 16, so you'll be getting the latest OnePlus software experience from day one. The OnePlus N6 packs a massive 8000 mAh battery and according to OnePlus, it can easily deliver up to 3 days of battery backup. The phone supports 45-watt Superbook fast charging and the company claims that just a 5-minute charge can give you up to 1.7 hours of YouTube playback. For thermal management, OnePlus has equipped the N6 with a 5300mm square vapor chamber cooling system, which the company claims that it is the largest cooling chamber in this segment. This should help in keeping the device cool during long gaming sessions, video streaming and heavy multitasking. We'll definitely test this properly in a full review. The OnePlus N6 features a 50-megapixel AI main camera that supports 60 FPS video recording along with a dual view video mode. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel selfie camera. OnePlus is also highlighting its 60 months fluency certification, claiming that the phone will continue to offer a smooth experience for years with OxygenOS. For those who are interested, the SAR value is exactly in the range. So guys, these are the things we can talk right now about the OnePlus N6. Since the embargo is still active, I can't talk much about processor, performance, benchmark scores, camera quality, gaming performance, battery backup or anything else. But a review will be dropping very soon. So if you guys have any kind of questions related to this device, drop them in the comment section below. I'll take up those questions in the full review video. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.